Hello everyone, this is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today we are going to see different patterns in maths. See the first pattern. If you will observe inside a circle when arrow is given which is moving in a clockwise direction. So first you have to understand what is a clockwise and what is a anti-clockwise direction. Suppose this is a clock, okay? It is having numbers 12, 3, 6, 9. Now, if the needle moves in this direction, then it is known as the clockwise direction. And if it is moving in this direction, then it is known as anti-clock direction. Okay. So here, the arrow is moving inside a square in a clockwise direction. If you will observe the position of arrow, suppose this is a square. So initially the arrow was here, then it came to this corner, then it came to this corner, and after that it came to this corner, and again it has gone to this corner. Understood? So it means it is moving in a clockwise direction. So we have to find out next three figures. So let's make three squares. Suppose if I'm putting numbering to the corners of square, first, second, third, and this is the fourth corner. Again I'll do 1 minute. See, this is the first corner. I'm showing the last square, second corner, third one, and this is the fourth corner. So now if the arrow is in the first corner, so it will come to the second corner. After second it will move to third corner, and after third corner it will move to fourth corner. So these are the answer. This is the first square, second square, and this is the third square of your answer. Now we'll see another pattern in third one. Okay, if you will see the third question, in third question triangle is there, the first triangle and the second triangle, and again if you will see the third position, the first triangle is repeated at the third position. It means it's a pattern of AB. A, B, A, B, A, B. What is the AB pattern? AB pattern means there are two figures which are repeating one after the other. So here 1 and 2, two triangles are there which will repeat one after the other. So now if the first triangle it has been repeated, so now the second one will come here, and we have to find out next 5 position. So what I'll do, I'll first make the triangles. Okay, see here, now as the first has came, so now the second will come. So what I'll do, I'll make the second triangle. After second, first triangle will come. Okay, so the first triangle is inverted. Now again second triangle will come. After this, first triangle will come. After this, again the second triangle will come. So total 5 triangles we have to find out, 5 position we have to find out. So I have made it. Now we have to see how the dots will come. So in the second one, how the dots are there, one is inside, one is here, and two down. One inside. 1 minute. This triangle I have made wrong, so I'll make it again. It should be 1 minute. It should be like this. Okay, so how we are going to put dot, one inside, one out, and two down. One inside, one out, and two down. In the inverted triangle, how we are going to put the dots? See, the inverted means the first one, one inside, two up, and one here. one inside, two up, and one on the right side. I hope it's clear. Come to fourth picture. In fourth picture, one umbrella is there which is again moving in a clockwise direction. See here, initially it was in this direction, then to this, after that down, again to this, and then again up. So I'll show you with the help of a clock. Okay, 12, 6, 3, and 9. So initially the umbrella was facing 12, then it came to 3, after that it came to 6, then it is facing 9, and again it has gone to 12. So now it will come to 3, 6, and 9, right? No, because we have to find out 3 position. So now it will face 3, after 3 it will face 6, after 6 it will face 9. Now how the stick of umbrella is going to be? If you will see the stick, again it is moving in a clockwise direction. So the clockwise direction is this. Here it should be this. Here it should be like this. I hope it's clear, students. So now I will move to next question. Now we are going to see if we are adding any 4 consecutive numbers, then how the answer we will able to find out. Consecutive means one after the other. It means we are not leaving any number between them. Whatever the numbers we are choosing, they are in a series. Okay. If you will observe here, first 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means whatever the 4 numbers we are choosing, they are in a series. Okay, we are not leaving any number in between them. So if we are doing such type of addition, then without actual addition, how we are going to find out the answer? So the hint is already given here. It is a difference of 4. It means whenever we are finding the next answer, we are going to add 4 in the answer. For example, if we are adding the numbers from 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so the answer is coming 10. Now the numbers are starting from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we have to just add 4 in this and we'll get answer 14. For finding the next one in 14, we have to just add 4 and we'll get our answer. So how we are going to find out the next answer? See here, I have to find out the next step. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and 7 we are going to add. So in 18, just add 4 and your answer will be 22. For the next one, in 22, add 4, so your answer will be 26. So this is how you are going to find out the answer in this question. But if such type of question comes for a competitive exam, then how you are going to do it? Understand the pattern once again. See, students, for the first place, if you know the addition answer, if you know that if I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4 together, then I'll get 10. If you don't know, then you can add and you can find out the first answer. Only you should know this one. What is the first answer? After this, you can find out any addition if the numbers are the consecutive numbers, any 4 consecutive numbers if we are adding. For example, see here, if the number is starting from 2, if the series is starting from, not number, if the series is starting from 2, it means 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. What you are going to do? My first answer is 10. So how I'm going to find out the answer? 2 minus 1. So I'm going to add 4 one time. So my answer will be 14. See the answer? 14. For the third step, 10 plus, from the first number you are going to again subtract 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 you are going to multiply by 4. So 2 4s are 8. So I'm going to add 8 in 10 and my answer will be 18. Is it right? Now see the fourth. If my series is starting from 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 4s are 12. If I'll add, my answer will be 22, which we got here, and the next answer we got 26. For this one, Again 10 plus 5 minus 1, 4. 4 you are going to multiply by 4. So 4 4s are 16 and my answer is 26. Now, if you have to find out any series, for example, 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16, I have to add these numbers. So how I'm going to add? Without actual addition, 10 plus this 13 minus 1, my answer will be 12. 12 multiplied by 4, 12 fours are 48, and 48 plus 10 will be 58. Now let's see what is the addition coming. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3, 4 and plus 1, 5. Right? No? One more I'll show you. For example, if we are adding 57 plus 58 plus 59 plus 60. If I'm adding these numbers, how I'm going to find out the answer? 10 plus 57 minus 1. Number is 56. 56 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 2 will be carry. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So I'm going to add here 224. What will be my final answer? 234. Let's check whether answer is correct or not. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, 24 plus 0. So 4 will be on unit place and 2 will be carry. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21 plus 2, 23. So 234 is the answer. I hope it's clear how you are going to use this. Come to the next one. If we are adding any four consecutive even numbers, then what we are going to do? If we are adding consecutive even numbers, four consecutive even numbers, then in each step we are going to add 8 and we'll get our answer. For example, if the series is starting from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, our answer will be 20. You should know only this answer. After that, the next number is 4, no? So if the series is starting from 4, add 8. 28 is the answer. For if the series is starting from the next 6, more 8 in 28, you are going to add 8, so your answer will be 36. For finding the answer, 36 plus 8, it will be 4 4 44. For finding the next one, 44 plus 8, your answer will be 52. So this way you can find out the answer easily. Now how you are going to use this funda if such type of questions comes in a competitive exam? See students, if you will observe here, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. If we are adding even numbers, all the even numbers are the multiples of 2. It means they are coming in the table of 2. Okay. So if I'll see here, 4 means 2 twos are 4. Fine. So if it is 2 twos are, so this 2 minus 1. Answer is 1. So I will add 8 in the answer once. It means in 20 I am going to add 1 only one time. So 20 plus 8, my answer is 28. And now if the series is starting from 6, 6, 8, 10 and 12. This series I am talking about, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Then 2 threes are 6, right? So this 3 minus 1, my answer will be 2. It means I'm going to add 2 times 8. So 8 twos are 16. So I'm going to add in 20, 16. So my answer will be 36. If my series is starting from 8, so it means 2 fours are 8. So 4 minus 1, my answer will be 3. So I'm going to add in 20, 3 times 8. So 8 threes are 24. So 36, sorry, not 36, 20 plus 8 threes are 24. My answer will be 44. If my series is starting from 10, it means 2 fives are 10. It means you have to convert the first number of the series as a multiple of 2. Okay, then 5 minus 1, my answer is 4. So I'm going to add 8 4 times. It means 8 fours are 32. So 20 plus 32, my answer is 52. I hope it's clear. I'll explain you with one more example. For example, we are taking 20, 22, 24 and 26, these four even numbers. So what will be the answer? Again I'll write 20, 22, 24 plus 26. So what will be my answer? Now students, see the first number of the series, it is 20. So 2 tens are 20, right? 10 minus 1 will be 9. So 9 into 8, because 9 times I'm going to add 8. So 9 8s are 72. So in 20, I'll add 72 and my answer will be 92. Let's add the numbers and check. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So 2 and 1 carry. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8 plus